All right, y'all. So next we're gonna check out some body cam footage from the police, man, where they've actually come across some paranormal activity. All right, so let's check them out.
I'm at site 422. This place definitely gives out some creepy vibes.
I was just about to say that, bro. I was just about to say that. It's dark too? Oh, heck nah. That's what I would be saying in my radio. Nope. Kevin Hart voice.
I keep seeing shadows walking by. What the f***?
Oh no. I'm definitely coming back when it's daylight, bro. I would definitely have my hand on my service piece. Ain't no way, bro.
Did I just bump into?
Listen to his breathing.
Oh, I need Jesus. So a little update.
Me and this dude gotta be related, bro. I just said the same exact thing. Matter of fact, I might would have got back in the truck and read a scripture from the Bible, man, just to get that stuff off of me. Get it off of me, man. Can't even take it home. No.
I was walking through property. I got to the back. I felt like something was watching me as I was checking the doors. And as I turned around to walk away, I bumped into something. Except the difference was I didn't see anything there. Ooh, my heart's racing.
You could tell.
Maybe the body cam caught something. All right.
I ain't gonna lie, when he was walking around and he was looking and he was shining light, I couldn't really tell, but I was looking in those windows. I was looking in those windows to try to see if I could see maybe a shadow or something. I wish he would have said what he was on the call for, what he had to respond to. Because one of the signs that he went past during the video said private property in it. So I was trying to figure out like what was he on that call for, but you could tell he didn't want to be there, and he was so happy to be back in his patrol vehicle, man. He was happy, bro. But his breathing, though, you could tell it was labored.
A police body cam captures lady vanishing out of nowhere.
Hey, how's it going?
I was speeding, wasn't I?
Yeah, and you completely blew past that stop sign in front of me.
I did. I'm so sorry. I literally didn't even see it.
No
this
worries.
is my first time being pulled over.
All right, can I see your driver's license registration, please?
Yeah.
It's not a big deal.
Here's my license, but this is my mom's car, so...
Where are you headed to where you're speeding and missing stop signs?
I was just headed to a friend's house. It's like literally right there. It's
Okay.
a birthday party. So,
Got it.
Not mine, but...
Any drugs or alcohol in the vehicle?
No, of course not.
All right. Sit tight, Sarah. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Your registration is... What the...
Sarah?
What the heck? Sarah? 3201 to dispatch. Hi.
A police bus.
All right, let me know if this is real. First of all, get it together. Get it together. First of all, all right. This just put like a whole new type of fear inside of me that I ain't never really thought about before. Like, what the heck just happened? Tell me this is a movie or something. Because if so, that is one of the greatest edits, clips I have ever seen. But this is reading video without any explanation. A police body cam catches lady vanishing out of nowhere. This could be staged, it could not be. And if it's not, how did that happen? Where did she go? Is she trapped inside another dimension? Something grabbed her? A black hole? Where is she? How is that even possible? Yeah, I don't like that.
Were left highly unnerved by what they saw. This is what was caught.
Jezu, jak to Oda tak warczy? Ja pierdzielę.
I don't know what's going on, bro. All I see is that it says cops get scared of a lifetime. Like, I'm bracing for impact just as much as y'all are, so bear with me. I hear somebody growling or somebody who sounds like they're possessed. No, thank you.
Pierdolę, ja dostaję tylko 5000 zł, kurwa, ten. Idź tam do... Uważaj.
Now, yes, I'm pretty sure that can be some type of animal. You know what I mean? Sound like a cat or something. I don't know, but it also giving me like possessed type vibes, like somebody in there walking the walls or something like that. Like you would see in a movie when somebody's possessed, they do some strange things that you would never imagine somebody having the capabilities to do. That's what that sounded like to me and reminded me of. Oh, they calling her name. Yep, it's a woman. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Ona jest nad nami u góry, od góry coś widzi.
Just shut the door.
Drut ma jakiś.
Just shut the door.
Were left highly unnerved.
Bro, I would have been throwing buckets of holy water. Give me more holy water. Buckets of holy water in there. I'm not going in there. Do you hear how she sounds? And then they say people, when stuff like that happens to them, somehow, some way they gain like superhuman strength. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing that. No way. No, thank you. That's crazy. Whew. That just, a chill just went over my body, man. No, thank you.
This chilling footage was uploaded by most viral videos. It takes place at night in a park with outdoor workout equipment. There's no long preamble, the footage shows us immediately what's going on. It looks as
were left highly unnerved by what they saw.
I didn't mean to hit that. Hold on. Let me go back.
Were left highly unnerved by what they saw.
Listen, man, the grind don't stop even though you've transitioned over. You know what I mean? You still got to get these gains. You still got to make gains, man. So even like that in the afterlife, baby. You still got to put that work in. Go hard.
This chilling footage was uploaded by most viral videos. It takes place at night in a park with outdoor workout equipment. There's no long preamble, the footage shows us immediately what's going on. It looks as though there's a ghost or two using the exercise equipment. A group of policemen surround the workout equipment, which seems to be moving on.
I mean, what do you do? One cop just got his phone out, just recording this like nobody's never gonna believe this. I gotta record this. I mean, man, you know what I mean?
Its own. The eerie sound of the metal slamming onto the ground as it moves is certainly disturbing. While it's not known why the group of officers were in the park in the first place, some viewers have speculated that local residents called the police out to investigate the strange moving equipment. The police are so stunned by the event that some of them take out their own phones to film it. After posting the footage to the internet, it quickly spread, going viral on numerous social media sites. While many viewers have called the footage a hoax, it's hard to believe that these police officers would put their reputation and careers on the line to play a simple prank. So
what is this ghost training for? What does he know that I don't know about the afterlife? What do you need to train for? What are you doing? What are you doing? And then secondly, he makes me feel bad. I have every excuse in the world why I can't get to my workouts throughout the day. And this joker literally let nothing stop him still getting his workout in.
So what do you think's going on in this footage? Love to hear your opinions on it in the comments section below.
We got the police called on us during a paranormal investigation.
What? It's the police, Dad.
Everything all right?
Everything's great.
All right, gotcha. We got a call saying someone was breaking in, so
yeah.
They see a flashlight darkening.
Yeah.
So.
I thought I should call because I thought, well, they're gonna see flashlights.
Yeah. Someone. All right. Well, like I said, someone thought you guys were breaking in, so everything's good. Then you guys obviously are allowed to be here. So, all right. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
We got the police.
I'm surprised with all these people that do paranormal explorations and stuff like that, ghost hunts and things like that. I'm surprised this is the first time I've ever seen that. Because when you stop and you think about it, yeah, you're entering in these abandoned or these haunted places and different things like that. It's dark. You have flashlights. I'm surprised we don't see more of this. And I've never really stopped to think about that. That's crazy. During a paranormal investigation, police being called. I wonder how often that happens to people. You heard the guy in the video say, I thought about calling you guys before we do that. We did this. We do this all the time. You know what I mean? So if for one day in the future I decide to go on one, I've always said no, but you know, you could change your mind at any given point. But if I do decide now, I have that in the back of my mind to do that and alert the police and let them know we're going in this place. So if you receive any calls about flashlights and everything like that, that's us. We'll call you when we get there. We're going in, and then we'll also notify you guys when we're done. Makes a lot of sense.
Hello. I swear to God, I saw somebody in the car. This is some spooky right here. I'm gonna call this in the sheriff's department.
Oddly enough, the radio starts playing by itself, but the scariest part went unnoticed by the officer when a hand was seen on the window for a brief moment.
What's that movie from back in the day where the car does that? Christine. Remember that movie? Some of y'all may be too young, but some of us know. Remember that movie from back in the day, Christine. Shoot, even if you want to compare it to something to modern day, that's like Transformers, Bumblebee. He always playing the radio and playing something like that. That's crazy. I didn't catch the hand either the first time. Whew. I'm glad he got that on his body camera. You know what I mean? So when you put that type of stuff in your report, your superiors may look at you kind of crazy. Like, nah, check the footage, bro. Something wasn't right.
At least I know I'm not crazy. Because there's definitely somebody standing right there. And now they're gone.
Whoa.
Tell me how.
You saw that run pass? Yeah, I'd have kept my distance too. You know what I mean? I'm probably radio all clear. I'm done. Gave my little radio signal, got back in my car and left. I'd have lied. It's nothing. I don't see anything. All clear here. We're good to go. You know what I mean? I'm going home for the night. Yeah. As soon as I saw that little thing run by the window, I'd have been done. What's going on here? Description reads, the cops wanted to experience some paranormal activity since they know the history of my street. Where's the paranormal activity though? I missed something. Yeah. I missed something. I don't know. Moving on.
I'm about to show you possible paranormal activity caught on camera at a jail in London, Kentucky. The person who sent me the video is a former corrections officer at the facility. The video focuses on a cell that's supposed to be empty. And remember, correctional officers check cells almost every hour.
It's goddamn creepy. Alright. Is there nobody in that cell?
No!
Nobody's in that cell.
No,
It's closed right there.
when we was
ready?
right cell there a while ago at 12:12 and there was a...
Oh, heck, it's
If you didn't see it, it looks like someone moves in front of the window.
Yeah.
Remember, it's a jail, and the only way in or out is through that door you're looking at. I'm about to show you possible
That's one people we need to start talking to more often too. A lot of these COs that work at these jails where things have happened and different things, and ask them about some of the weird stuff that goes on that they see, stuff like this. It happens more than we think, man. It happens more than we think. Yeah, man. I thought I saw somebody come past that window. Listen here, man. Whew. Gotta wash this stuff up off you, man. Some crazy things going on in the world, man. Listen, this was some of the craziest things that police have seen. Y'all get at me in the comment section, man. Let me know what you think. And stick around and stay tuned. Till next one, I'm gone.